coffee, Java, Joe, black gold, that might be oil. The lifeblood of champions, mud, jitter juice, goes by many names. But what do you do with the grounds? Makes a great compost for a garden, great worm bedding if you're raising worms. But today I'm going to show you how to turn this into a fire starter, so stick around. Okay, so basically what you're going to need is a heat source. You want to do this outside because we're using wax, and wax can be dangerous when you're melting it. It can overflash, overboil, and cause a fire. So anyways, disposable tins are great because it does make a mess, and you can just toss it away when you're done. I got here about a cup and a half of old coffee grounds that I saved, laid out on newspaper, let dry, and kind of crunched them all up real fine again. So we're going to add that. And I have, you can use old candles, old candle wax. I happen to have some paraffin wax for canning laying around. So that's about 10 or 12 ounces of paraffin wax to a cup and a half of coffee grounds. And we're going to add about anywhere from a quarter to a third of a cup of molasses. And we're going to melt all this together, mix it good, and then we'll pick up from there. Okay, so I use a muffin tin with small size muffin papers, and what you want to do while the wax, the combination is still hot, it's starting to solidify already. This wind is going to kill me here today. You want to fill them about roughly 3/4 of the way. You do want some paper left on top, and just go ahead and carefully pour these in. You want to let that wax combination harden up, and it shouldn't take long at all. And when you go to use these, you're basically just going to light the edge of the paper, and you're going to have a fire starter. And I'll demonstrate how they work in a moment. We'll let them harden up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so they're solidified, and this is basically what you're left with. You could toss a handful of these in a Ziploc bag. It's recommended you keep them in a bag because they will break. I mean, they are wax, and they're great for those days when you don't want to play with your ferro rod or your flint and steel and just want to get a fire going quick. You can get your tinder, your small bundle, and light this up, throw some twigs and some small stuff over the top of it, and you get roughly 8-10 minute burn time on one of these. And all you basically do is, once again, the wind is on my, not on my side, is light that paper up. There you have it. And on a windy day. So that's basically it. Good luck and enjoy burning your coffee.